channel. Today I'm going to be making some chocolate cake. So let's get right into the video. So this is the cake we're going to be making. It's chocolate mud cake. So I think that would be really yum. So I'm going to start getting all the ingredients ready.
Okay guys, so I am Ruby's sister, as you've probably seen me in one of her videos before, but I'm going to be helping her out. She is right here. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing some other things that she can't do.
Yeah, let's
because
talk.
she's too little. But yeah, we're gonna get cooking.
The things we have is a spatula.
No, this is a spatula.
A spatula, sorry. And then a whisk, I think it is.
Yes, a whisk.
And then we have 2 eggs.
We have our bowl and melted
Bowl.
butter, but
Yeah.
we can't show you that really. But
Otherwise it will pour out. We have some
baking paper in our tray,
yeah.
or pan. We have our water, and we also have our cake mix.
Yep, so we're going to get straight into making the cake. So we got this, a mixture, and we're just going to open it straight up to pour into the bowl. So we got some chocolate mixture.
Yeah, it also comes with our...
icing. But I don't think we should do icing today.
Not till later. We'll do icing later.
So
We're going to open this up, trying not to spill it everywhere, making this a fail video.
yeah.
Ruby, you might want to look out.
Oh.
Okay, so we have our mixture. I'm going to crack 2 eggs in there.
Yeah, so 2 eggs. You need 2 eggs.
An egg. Ruby, can you please? And we got 2nd egg. And then magic. Presto.
And then we go.
Now we are going to mix.
Walking with a game on. You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine.
I'm gonna try it, guys. So this is the mixture.
Yeah.
It's very smooth now.
Really good.
It tastes good. So now we're going to put it in our cake pan.
My hand. So we got the mixture into the bowl. Yeah, so we done that. And we have all of the mixture. And we're just about to put it in the oven.
For half an hour.
Yeah, for half an hour.
Alright, so, oh. A bit dirty. Oh, it's coming off. This is like a complete fail video.
Yeah.
So we got kind of bored, so we decided to make the icing. The cake still has like 10 minutes or something. So we're making icing. So we have our melted butter. We also have our icing and our water and our fork and our bowl. Not sure how I'm gonna open this because I'm not gonna get out. Where'd that knife go? I don't know. Honestly, God bless the people that made knives, because if they didn't make knives, where would I be? Probably still trying to open this packet. So we're gonna pour the packet in. Servant, put this in the bin. Alright, so this is our icing. Very powdery and brown. I'm not sure why. But I'm making Ruby's channel 100% better because I'm in it, obviously. Oops, spilled it again.
She's not making my channel better. I'm making it better.
Yeah, Ruby's being my cameraman, also my servant, because I want her to be. Jokes, I'm not that mean. I love you, Ruby. Kidding. Can you, cameraman, get down low. Okay. So as you can see, our icing is coming together. But we'll be back once it's done. So we have just finished. The cake is finally ready. It was taking forever. Like it was like raw, but now it looks kind of burnt. I don't know. But we're gonna let this cool for about 5 minutes, and we'll be back with you when we ice it.
So we've iced the cake. We have lots of leftover icing, but it's very good. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos I should do. And subscribe. And when I get to 10 subscribers, I am going to be doing a very fun video. So, I hope you enjoyed this video.